Hello students, that day you actually saw that Jamil returned home very angrily when actually the woman at the bath gate forbade her from going inside because the wife of the king's royal diviner was actually possessing possessed the whole place, took the whole place for the whole day. So actually now we will see in the next page what happens and what is the reaction of Jamil after reaching her house. Jamil actually furiously, when she reached home, she actually gave a very furious anger expression. And then the narrator will actually narrate you what happens that evening when Ahmed handed her his wigs for the day. She said, student, what does the wigs actually the daily earning of a laborer or the workers who earns on daily basis. So his daily earning actually रोज का जो मेहनत आना होता है वो जब अपने वाइफ को उस दिन देता है, when he gave his daily wages to his wife, then what does her wife refer? That we will see here. Jamil, the looking at these few measly coins, the word few measly coins means, there were not enough money actually, the word measly means, when something is little or not enough in quantity. Look at here, the meaning of the measly is given in your book, students. Here very small and disappointing size. So actually Jamil was is particularly not happy. She was totally not happy with the money that her husband actually earns daily, or actually the money that he has given her today. And that is why she is saying, I won't put up with this any longer. Tomorrow you will sit in the marketplace and be a diviner. So now let's see here, student, what Jamil is actually telling to her husband. She is actually telling him that I cannot live in this way now any longer. I have to change myself. I cannot be satisfied with whatever the money you earn. Tomorrow, she is suggesting her husband that from tomorrow you will have to sit in the marketplace and you have to be a diviner. So what her wife, Jamil, is suggesting to her husband, Ahmed, who was actually a daily laborer, now she is actually telling her to become a diviner. Diviner is someone, as you saw in the beginning of the story, a fortune teller who actually tells our future, who actually predict our future, what is going to happen with us in future. So actually a fortune teller. So his wife is actually telling her that from tomorrow onwards you will sit in the marketplace and you will also become a diviner. So now here why she is suggesting so, because she has seen here that a diviner's wife is actually earning so much money that she has kept the whole bath place for herself. So for this very reason, Jamil is also suggesting to her husband to become a diviner actually. But Ahmed, he is actually replying to Jamil that, Jamil, are you insane? The word insane means, are you gone mad? That's what he actually telling to her. What do I know about fortune telling? See, Ahmed is very doubtful about this. He is saying that, how can I be a fortune teller? I do not know anything about this. You are talking just insanity. Have you gone mad? That's what the Ahmed is telling to her wife. But Jamil is again saying that you don't need to know a thing. When anyone brings you a question, just throw the dice and mumble something that sounds wise. Now, his wife Jamil actually know this business. She understands that fortune telling is all about cheating. There is nothing, reality, nothing sort of reality with this. It's all in all a fake thing. So that is why she is she is advising to her husband that you need not to know anything about fortune telling. You just have to throw the dice and you just have to mumble. Mumble means murmur, murmur few boastful words which sounds wise, and then you just predict anything. That's what she is suggesting. So further in the story, you would see that from tomorrow onwards, Ahmad will sit in the marketplace and she would start fortune telling of the people. And tomorrow we will see what happens then, actually, students.